Number 3 is going to be a line graph this time. We have 3 different lines actually going on, and I want to point out how you need to type this up in your Excel Excel spreadsheet. I have the years here, and what we're looking at underneath is actually the number of endangered birds in that particular year. So this title is better than the one given on your handout. For each bird, we have the varying numbers, and what you're going to highlight this time is only the number of endangered birds. We're not going to worry about the year first. So highlight those numbers. Find where you can select a line graph, and I choose the one that has all of these marked points. So I'm going to pick that one. If you notice, we've got 3 different lines in 3 different colors, and we've got a lot of work to manipulate this to get it to the way we want it. Right now, we have this as our number of endangered birds. We have 1, 2, and 3 across the x-axis, which really doesn't correspond with anything that we have here. But what that really means is our years. So 1 is 1950, 1960, and so on. So we've got to find a way to change that and get it to what we want. And then we need to have a way to show in our legend that each color is a different bird. That's what we're going to do next. If you click on the series over to the side, right-click on that, and if you go down, you'll see a place where you can select data. Select your data, and you're going to get this box that says Series 1, 2, and 3 over in the side, and then you have a place to give names to each of the series. So our Series 1 is our first bird, which was a crane. So I highlight that one, and I'm going to type in crane. Then I highlight Series 2, type in condor, and finally Series 3 is swan. Now I can change the labels on the x-axis. That was my 1, 2, and 3. And there's a specific way you can do this and show exactly what you want. And in our case, it's the years. So we're going to start with 1950, comma, 1960, comma, 1970, and then we're ready to hit OK. Once you've done that, you know how to give the title, you know how to label the axes, so go ahead and get that stuff done, and this chart is complete. Once you've finished that, you should have enough information now to go ahead and try your best at graphing out this last set of data on number 4. My advice is that you use what we just did in number 3 to figure it out, go with the line, and see if you can get a pretty graph for that one. Good luck!